You got wine on your shirt or need a tasty dessert? Want your kids on a plane or there's a smell in your drain? Broke a chair, wrecked your hair, wanna show someone you care? Come join us at the counter with Liz.
One question that comes up from some of my college-aged children of friends is the dreaded fitted sheet. So we're not going to iron it, that's a step further, but we are going to talk about the fitted sheet and how we need to make friends with it, especially in this time of social distancing. Let's make friends with the things that are close and the people who are close. So what you're going to do is find the long seam of the sheet, so this is the long end of the bed, and you're going to find one corner of the seam like this and hold it like a sock puppet. Then you're going to find the next one, another sock puppet, and then you want them to make friends. Embrace and put them together. Once you do that, you want to flip through, so now you just have one sock puppet. Two seams. Got it? Then we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. That sock puppet can stay. Now we come over here and find, a lot of sheet. Find one more seam, and then we'll come here and find the other seam. And they make friends too. See, we're making friends right and left. Now we have two seams on each side. We're going to take those, and now all four of them, this is not social distancing. I'm just letting you know, people can't do this right now, but seams can. We're going to put these together, and now we have one sock puppet. So it looks like that. Then you're going to take a surface. It can be an ironing board, it could be a table, a bed, and you're going to lay that flat so it looks sort of like a shower cap, best way to put it. Now, some people who prefer iron sheets could actually give this a little run with the iron and make it smoother. We're not going to do that today, baby steps. We're going to take this and fold it until it's a square. So you can see it's basically a square now, all right? Then you're going to fold one side in, smooth it, the other side, smooth it, tuck under, and then like Marie Kondo, you have to decide, are you a 3-fold person, a 4-fold person? I don't know what your cabinets look like. I do 3s. So I do 1, 2, and 3. That's your fitted sheet. And it fits very nicely in your cabinet. Now when you do the flat sheet, you want to fold it roughly the same way so that you can fit them in as sort of a packet in the closet. Another way to do it is if you decide to fold it just in 2s or 3s, I guess that's 3. That's an easier one for a drawer. So anyway, there's the fitted sheet. My friend once asked if I was Miss America, what would my special talent be? And sadly, this is it. Thank you for joining us.